Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will discuss one of the project about SquareTalk CTI integration with Salesforce. So, let me first tell you about the requirement of the project. The client wanted us to integrate SquareTalk computer telephony with Salesforce to manage calling from Salesforce for incoming or outbound and help agents manage the call logs within the Salesforce. Also, the client wanted us to use the account, contact, case records for a detailed summary or reference of the call made or received. Let me now share with you the benefits of integrating SquareTalk CTI with Salesforce. With the integration, users can do click to dial for outgoing calls or manual dial using dialer pad. Users can use the account or contact reference. Users can have access to quick related list to call logs. Users can efficiently perform mute or unmute transfer of calls to another agent, and users can see the call logs even from dialer screen with menu option. So, talking about the solutions, we have used Salesforce Call Center, Visualforce and Lightning component for the data model. And for the development, we followed 3 steps to complete the project. We first enabled click to dial on every field having data type phone. We then matched the incoming into our database and looked for account or contact match for that. At last, we have provided menu items to the agents to manage different tasks. Here is a glimpse of a dialer pad where the user can dial a number if the number doesn't exist in the account or contact. Here is a glimpse of call log details where you can track the call logs and listen to the recording when recording. Let me show you the demo. I will be demonstrating OpenCTI software that we have built, and so for this, I have created a Lightning app called SquareTalk in which we have added account contact leads. The extension configuration will configure the setup, and then call details will have the details of the call logs. So at the very first stage, you need to record the extension configure. So for this, I have already created the record in which you can see you have to pass the extension numbers and further configuration that you need. So as the button, you can see I have added the utility bar. If you click on that, you will see a dialer pad, and we have added menu items that are to-do list where the user can add the details of his task to be executed. The second time we have is call logs. If you click on the keypad, you get the dialer pad and have the queue dialing in the queue option. So, if I switch to this, it will automatically dial all the present numbers. In the user's name, you have user's name and status, and you can accordingly customize with the same. If you take a break, then no calls will be managed from here. For instance, if I manually dial my number and click on the call button, you can see this is how call gets connected. And in the same call, this is how you can type a message here. You can also use the mute button that would be used in Salesforce and accordingly unmute yourself. Here we have the transfer button in which you add any number here, and the call will be transferred to the other call. But for now, we are using this internally. You can also add the extension number where your current call will be extended to the different number. And here we have the hang up button in which the call will be disconnected. So now, I will show you the click through dial, but before going further, let me first show you on the dashboard as to this how the call log looks like. And this call has been recorded of 1 minute 36 seconds. So if you click on that, you will see the call recording of the call, and also the source was 502. The call direction is also visible, that is outbound, and also you can see the note that has been written during the call. And if you click on this, you will be able to listen to the entire call recording. Here is the call status. So this is all that you will have in the call log section. So now if I go to accounts, and then I will demonstrate click to dial, so you can see we have that record CA dev, and we have added the phone number here. So if you click here and dial that number, So you can see name will be populated over here. So you can see the call details here. Call logs for the account which was made from the account record page. That's all for this case study video. Are you looking to hire the best Salesforce consulting partner to empower your team and add values to your business? Get in touch with Cloud Analogy and discover how our CRM experts can help you successfully optimize Salesforce implementation and help you integrate Salesforce with multiple systems through their in-depth knowledge of domain. Get in touch with us now.